Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change recycle bin icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change recycle bin icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now click on Themes. Now scroll down. Click on Desktop Icon Settings. In Desktop Icon Settings pop-up menu, you will find Recycle Bin. Here, just select Recycle Bin and click on Change Icon. Now you can choose any icon from here to change recycle bin. I'm going to select this one and now click on OK. Look, the icon has been changed. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Now close Settings and look, the recycle bin icon has been changed on desktop in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.